All right, we're gonna look for the last week performance of the trading bot that I documenting and that I recommend. My goal with this channel, as you know, is to show you ways and indicators and EAs and all of that stuff that actually help you. And I have tried at least 10 different trading robots, and this one is with no doubt the best one I have ever tried, and the only one I use right now. So we're gonna look for the last week performance. So if this is the first time you watch this series, I recommend that you like the video and subscribe so you don't miss the next video that I post. So if we look a little quick about the year here, we have a total gain of 29.62%, which is 220 euros and 2,769 pips. And last week we hit a milestone when we hit the four figures, and I added another pair. So this EA is the recommended use is to use 500 for every pair that you add. So we are trading right now the Euro USD and the British Pound Euros, British Pound, the American dollar, and this is the total gain month by month basis. So I mean, if you take this every day, every month, every year, this will be bigger numbers that is kind of hard to look through. So if you take the compound rate and just compound it over time, it will be large sums. So with that said, we're just gonna dive right into it. A little bit long intro here, but as you know, I um, like to be thorough. So we're gonna look for last week. So last week was the 27th, and we're gonna just add the numbers there. So last week we made 1.89%. The drawdown was 0.4%. Our profits, our growth graph here is pretty nice. We made a total of 18, almost 19 euros and 229 pips. If we look at the balance, as I have said before, if you haven't watched the videos, I say that the equity and the balance curve, the tighter it is, the better it is. It means it's no drawdown. So that's something you want to look for. So here we have our daily profits in numbers. So almost 3 euros, 4, 5, 3 euros, 6.5, and 4.9. So imagine this be 10x 1 year from now, 2 years from now, 3 years from now. And you can play with the numbers and it gets really exciting. So if we look at the total trades, we took 31 trades. The robot did. I didn't do anything. I just watched the dollars come in. Euros in my case, dollars in yours maybe. So of total 31 trades, the bot took 20 of those in wins and 11 of them was in loss. So the total is 65-35 in favor. Average win, average loss, average trade length, profit factor is a good number to look at. The higher the number, the better it is. If we look at the little quick on summary, we were trading more in the Euro USD, 19 trades there and 12 in the British pound US dollar. The pips is almost the same. If we look at the hourly, green is nice. Look at the daily, green is nice. Risk of ruin, that is nice. Not to ruin the account, but you understand it, I hope. So I also like to look at this. So 100% entry there. If you look at the gains here, it's pretty neat. I mean, not every trade gonna be 0.3%, but anyway, looks good. And we're just gonna look at this as well. Some of them were in negative also. So, I mean, sometimes you're gonna have this kind of entries, right? So I like to look at the overall here, and as long as the EM making money, I'm happy, and that's what you need to be aware of. How big is the drawdown? How big is the profit factor? Do you make money in the long run, or is this just a bot that making you poor? Or is this a bot that's not making you any money? So in this case, we are expected to make 0.6 euros for every trade it takes, which is cool. So with that said, when the robot reaches 1,500, we're gonna add a third pair. It's a long way there, but as you see here, 18 this week. So yeah, it's just a matter of time. And time and compounded interest is the best formulas for success. So with that said, I'm not gonna talk too much more. I have seen what I need to see. I hope you have gotten value from this. If you haven't, make sure you say what you want to see, and watch the other videos that I have posted about this EA so you learn more about it. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching, and I see you in the next one. Bye guys.